Hi everyone, Tsukofata here from Lucica Rights and welcome to another video. Today we're doing all things cooking. Yes, I love food. And how would you describe what you're doing in the kitchen when you are about to pull up and have delicious food on the table? Well, you cook. To cook, hoapa, hoapa, or hoapaya, apaya or apa means cook. So kia apa, means I am cooking, I am doing my thing. Kia bile. And what might that look like? You might be frying something. Kia khadika means I am frying. I'm frying. Kia khadika. You might be boiling or making a stew. Ki bedisa kameti. Bedisa kameti means you're boiling or broiling. You might be doing a barbecue, which is braai or besa. Besa is when you're using firewood and you get, nice food. Besa. You might be chopping up some stuff, like chopping up some onions, some carrot, and all that stuff. Chopa, kabetelela. Kabetelela means chop up. You might slice some things. Sega. Ke nama means I am cutting some meat up. But you chop up some veggies. And after you've done that, you've added, the ancestors tell you how much salt to add. Letswai is salt. How much spice to have. And you're serving hotola. Hotola is to serve people. Or they can serve themselves, but you kind of make the food ready for people to eat. And then you start to eat. I have a video all about eating and farts. But largely about eating. So if you find that video, it would be the best one to see about how you actually then describe nice food, dijoteli monate, and not so nice food. But yeah, that is how you cook. Hope you learned some good vocabulary. Until next time, see you later. Bye.